Howdy, y'all. I don't normally do unboxings, but I'm excited for this one. This is the Hacksmith Blade Lite, or at least it should be, because it just arrived in the mail from the Hacksmith store. I have been very excited for this one. So let's check it out and open it together. First off, if you're wondering why the Lite version and not the full version, that is because I don't need the screwdrivers. Actually, I'll show you. I got my EDC right here. And to me, weight is everything. And in it, I have all the bits I will ever need. I can take this Leatherman extension, this SOG power pint, and I got myself a full-size screwdriver. What I need is a knife and a ruler, both of which this offers. Drill bit bandolier. Cool. Don't know if I'll ever use that. All right. Pretty nice little case. Oh, what else? Oh, a couple of mini bits. Robertson. I can tell this man is Canadian just from that. Oh, that's nice. That's magnetic. Ooh, that is a nice box. There she is. It's not the lightest in the world, but it is very low profile. Okay, so going through it. Anodization looks perfect. Quality of the numbers looks perfect. Excellent build quality. Don't really see any machining marks on it. Nice little detail with a logo. Wow, that barely took any effort. That within itself is going to make it like about my favorite. I am a fiddler. I love a good fiddle. Zero wobble in the blade either direction, which is kind of astounding. I mean, let's compare this to the PowerPoint. So let's compare this to the knife on my PowerPoint, which is a perfectly fine knife, by the way. So yeah, it's not very sharp. It's never been able to hold an edge. It is reasonably sharp for what it is, but I mean, it is what it is. So lots of blade wobble. You can feel it that way. You can feel it that way. I don't mind the blade itself twisting a little bit. That's just the way the blades are, but you can feel it twisting in the base. It's a perfectly serviceable little knife, but let's compare. I mean, let's do the classic test. Actually, here, PowerPoint. See, still cuts, reasonably sharp. This is the factory edge straight out of the package. Yeah, that's sweet. I am barely touching that. Wow. Actually, that is within itself amazing. I think the factory edge on this is kind of astounding. The discoloration there is from the paper. That is impressive. So, final thoughts on the Hacksmith blade. That is a lot of fun. But this is a quality knife. I feel I got an excellent value for my money. Razor sharp blade from the factory. Excellent tolerances, excellent build quality, and above all, as basically a career maker, this is a maker's knife. It's got a ruler on it. Long straight blades are what I want. I don't want weird curves. I don't want serrations. I want to be able to cut things practically. The blade profile and the tip for this are just what I'm looking for. So I will be carrying this with my EDC from now on, and thank you so much to the Hacksmith team for delivering on a Kickstarter, which seems to be a rare thing these days, basically on time, and honestly with better quality than I could have expected.